I honestly think I have the best listings. So this is a 2019 manufactured home. Yes, it is a manufactured home, but it is spacious. It has a wood stove. It's absolutely incredible. It is new, basically. At 2019, it's not very old at all. So you can imagine everything is new. 200 amp panel. Siding looks beautiful. The septic is right there, and that was done in 2020. And this is an amazing. I'll show you inside. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and I will definitely show you. It has a little deck. Like it's incredible, absolutely incredible. But I want to show you the property first. So we came down the driveway. I'll quickly show you the road and how quiet and beautiful it is. It's very private. I know the sun is kind of shining, so it'll be hard to see with the glare, but it's very private. So you have all these trees all the way around, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And so the driveway goes around, so it's really nice for trailers or anything like that. It's just easy to get in and out. And again, those trees, that beautiful privacy and so forth. So I'll quickly go to the front of the driveway so you can kind of see the main road, so to speak. And this is 3.5, just over 3.5 acres. And like you can see, power is buried. So all of those little things matter, and you don't really realize that until you're there and you're like, wow, this is convenient. I don't have power lines going to my property. So this is the main road. This has been tilled a little bit. I mean, this is perfect for a garden. Like if anybody wanted to build a garden or reseed or have a pasture, horses, you can fence this off as well and gate that off and have that area for animals or whatever it is. But there is a little corral for animals already ready to go. So I'm kind of walking backwards. So this is the driveway to the property. Can't even see the house. This is how private it is. Like, look how private this is. And we're on a quiet road in Lakeview, Arrowcreek. And the mountains, like, you're just in nature. In nature. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna head back. Okay, so here is the barn. It has power to the barn as well, so it's convenient if you need lighting or anything like that. It's just really handy to have for animals, horses, whatever you want to keep in here. Has a, like, look how beautiful this is. This is really, really beautifully put together. It's just a nice, and even if you just needed it for storage or whatever you need this space for, you have the space, which is what matters. And again, it has power, so it has light. And then when we come out here, it has hay storage or just more storage if you need. And look how private this property is. Beautiful trees. It does have a seasonal creek on the property. It usually does run. It maybe dries out for like 1 or 2 months out of the year, but it is really nice to have when you do have it. And then if we go, oh yes, and then it has this lean-to as well. So for tractor storage or anything, again, anything with a roof is just good to have to keep out of the elements. And this is a little area, is great. So there's posts pounded already. So you have this already. It does have fencing. They're more like the string and wire fencing. So it is electric. So that's ready to go. But if you wanted to do boards or rails or anything like that, it is quite ready to go for a pasture. And just a little bit of a area to keep animals, horses. It's just a really nice area here. And I love that it has shade. I know we have that like with the trees, and the horses love it to have like a little area to just kind of go when it's really hot outside. And another little shed. Oh, I gotta mention one more thing I forgot to mention. So just a regular shed, no power here or anything, but storage, oh my goodness, this is fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna go back here, I'm sorry. but I need to show you something here. So this area here, so this is where, you know, you could put a horse or animals. And here it has a water bib, a water hydrant here, and power. So I don't know, RV parking maybe? I don't know what kind of power it requires for RV parking, but if you need to change that, you can. The important thing is it has power here, and then it has water. So, I mean, that's amazing, again, if you're gonna keep animals in this area here. All right, I'm gonna show you, we're gonna go back here. I do need to get you into the house like right away, because it is really nice. Like, it feels good. It's such a spacious home. And before we do go in, I do want to mention the well. Like, it's 25 gallons per minute. That's incredible amount of water. If you wanted to garden, if you want to have animals, you won't have any problems with water whatsoever. Like, 25 is a lot. So you'll be very happy to hear that. Look at this porch. I love this little area for coffee, or put a barbecue here. Look how amazing this is. And again, everything is newer. So like, you're not dealing with an old property that you will need fixing up. This is all brand new. Okay, so as we come in, you can see how spacious this is. It has this massive living room, laminate floors, and it's just spacious. I'm gonna come back here through the kitchen just to show you the whole space of the living room. It is massive, big windows. You are in the trees, but you get a lot of natural light, and it's just absolutely beautiful, and it opens up from the kitchen to the living room to the dining room here. Lots and lots of space. Like, this is, it's incredible. It feels so big, so bright. So it does have a wood stove here. Now, the only thing that I could mention maybe with this property is that the laminate has kind of come apart in here. It's not because of any structural integrity, but it does come apart. So there is tape on here, which doesn't look good, but honestly, that could be probably easily fixable. Somebody to come in and just kind of fix that up and do it properly. So it just, as you can see, it just wasn't done very well in these areas. But other than that, I mean, everything is meticulous. Like, it's absolutely beautiful. It's the only thing that I've noticed in this property that would be a little bit not as aesthetically pleasing, but honestly, that's all it is aesthetics. But look at that kitchen. Massive kitchen. So your dining room, kitchen, big island, a lot of counter space, a lot of cabinets, and this is all newer, 2019. So again, no problems whatsoever. Tons of storage. It's got closets everywhere. It's fantastic. Your washer dryers here. The panel is here, so this is 200 amps. And another door to go to the outside. And this is the master. So big closet, and you have your master right here. So like, this is so much room in here, honestly. So much room. Massive closets. Let me see if I can open these up. Yeah, deep, very deep, and just a lot of space. So look how big they are. Okay, nice big window here. And then we have the master ensuite with a shower. And this is like so much space in here. So much space, big shower, just a lot of room in here. And I'll show you the other two bedrooms and another bathroom. Going through this beautiful space. Another door. I mean, you could do this beautiful deck out here if you really wanted to. But yeah, it has stairs to go out here, and there's wood storage there. And that's that other door. So that's that other door that comes into the property. Yeah, just really, really nice. And look how private it is. More trees, a lot of nature. Okay, back to the bedrooms here. So this is a bedroom, and it's a really, really nice size. It doesn't have a bed in here, but it's just such a good space. It does have a closet, nice big window, and this laminate floor all the way throughout. Another closet here for more storage. And I'll show you the bedroom first. So wonderful bedroom. Like this is, I think, a queen size bed. Like this is amazing. A lot of space in here. This is so big. It always surprises me how big these homes are. And another full bathroom. So a tub shower with a shower surround and another full bathroom. I hope this gave you a really good idea of the space because it is absolutely beautiful and it's hard to explain, but a video, of course, tells so much more because you can see it, and a walkthrough always helps. So I hope this helped, and of course, any questions, let me know.